huwag niyo natarin si Yael.
Timer. Dapat lagi ka nagkakapag sa baba mo. Saka hindi na yung tubig mo. Sige, timer, start.
Good afternoon. They are green. They can be found in our lawns, in jungles, in forests. They are edible. They are a source of nature's beauty. Plants. We encounter them every day, every single day. But some of us lack knowledge about them. What they only know is that they are these greenish living forms that can be eaten, and they make our planet, well, green. Because of the lack of knowledge about plants, misconceptions about specific parts of plants are always present. We all know that plants consist of roots, stems, leaves, fruits, and flowers. But do all of us know about how to classify plant parts? For example, thorns. What are they? I haven't mentioned thorns in the list a while ago. So what are they? Metamorphosed parts of plants are parts of plants that are modified to extend their function. For example, thorns. Thorns are modified stems. Stems are commonly made to hold the leaves and serve as a stand to the plant. But thorns are made for plants, for the protection of plants against its threats. Spines are also made for plant protection, but unlike thorns, they are modified leaves. Now let's focus on the edible ones, root crops. Though all root crops came underground, not all of root crops are made out of roots. For example, potatoes. Potatoes are root crops, but their structure is that of a stem. Potatoes are modified stems.
Stoy!
They are modified stems. They are made to starch. And onions. Onions are root crops, but they are not roots. They are layers and layers of modified leaves. And the banana tree, the trunk-like structure, that's not a trunk. That's layers and layers of leaves. And banana plant is not a tree, it's a herb. We depend a lot on plants, but we only know about them a little. They make the oxygen we breathe. They make the food we eat. They're a big part of man's survival.